This is Tariq Azmi. I'm again with my news channel, See the World Through Tariq Azmi, again here for a short analysis of my news. One of the news I saw is very important for me, and that's why I discuss. It's called one chatGPT. It's a new software, and one of the women having a AI and artificial intelligence boyfriend, mean the artificially created by computer, and she become her girlfriend, and she was chatting every day to him, and then she was not expecting, and that artificial person who looked like very smart to her did something, and she felt very bad. So where are we going? What happened to us? We have to be very careful adopting to this technology and assuming these lies and to satisfy our body. God has created a man and a woman, a relationship to multiply. We are given a short life to live. We cannot live forever. Every action we do is recorded by the two angels sitting on right and left. It's presented to the God Almighty. We all believe there is one power. We're answerable to them. We have seen our children growing with nothing in the stomach. We have seen our parents and uncles die, and they're under the graves. So this is the truth of life, that this life has a short term and has some rules and laws to follow. All holy books teaching us that here's the way to succeed. If we making a boyfriend's online or girlfriend, they is not going to produce babies for us. They're not giving us comfort as the body to body meet. They're not going to cook for us. They're not will be here when we are sick. Will not be here to drive if I'm have an accident or any hospital issues. We have to be careful going the route of destruction. This is the path of devils and Satan. Avoid too much technology. That is even seeing it and destroying your desires. Looking at those images, you lose those desire which has been used to transfer seeds into one other person. This will be multiplied. Our average life is 60 to 70 or 80 maximum. We all die. If we're not producing new generation, new children, then the world will be finished within a few 100 or 200 years. We have to avoid this plan of destruction by Satan, who is humanity's true enemy. Let's not go that route. Let's marry, accept each other. It's a very easy system. If you see problem, you can marry a man. You choose a man who can have both needy women, divorced widows, 1, 2, or 3, 4. It's possible to this way. The best you can achieve the majority companionship, love, support from each other, and this is the way to succeed. There's no other way to succeed. Please avoid this chat GPT or artificial intelligence boyfriend or girlfriend. This is the road to destruction for humanity. We have to change. Please come back to the path of God. Man to woman relationship, children, family, cities, the world. We all need each other and happiness and all this. There's no other route to go. Every other route to go to destruction. I hope it will help. Take care. See you next time. Bye.